Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to our online division. Which here you are right now. Welcome for me to discuss the African Global Package. Especially welcome to Madam Nawasuko in Nigeria. Madam, please keep in touch and look back and uh, just go over how we're going to do the business. Okay, so for you, in order to become a business partner of Alliance in Motion Global, start buying a volume of product which you're supposed to invest of 41,888 naira. So upon buying this, you will receive investment a value of products. It has 60-20% and to receive is about 45,012 naira. So global package has accumulated points of 1,200 points each global package, which you can have choose at 2 global. And also we also have B, the global package no name, and it has 5C 24/7 as what you even coffee alkaline coffee in the world, and this alkaline in the word that alkaline based, madam. And it also has two my choco, good for the brain and good for the babies. And has worth of product of 46,256 naira. It also has accumulated points of 1,200 points. And also, if you cannot yet afford that one, we have still option C. This option C global package cost of 36,000 naira. Were you, if you were going to do seriously the business, then go for 46,888 naira, because always take a look for the money value or return of investment that you're able to receive upon investing this business. And for C20 it can have as a human being. Then it also has two complete type to energizer and also one my choco. And the worth of this product is 36,400, and it also has accumulated of 1,200 points. And another option, we also have option D. It also costs of 36 naira. The 36 naira, it has two seven complete restore life. It also has one Colidus, two Living Coffee, one My Choco, and worth of 36,300 value for money upon investing this one. And it has 1,200 points. Now, the question, investing this kind of amount, do you think this return of investment, madam, is because value for money that we are offering upon investing this kind of amount, the sum of your investment capital will make give you back as a value for money. Okay, now discuss you how you will or how you will able, okay, how you will able to earn with six figures. Okay, I mean with six major ways to earn. But before that, I'll discuss you about starter package. Okay, or about of the benefits that you're able to receive upon investing beside of product. First, of course, you will receive your distributor tracking center or DTC. It is site. It's an online website designed for everyone. It's a very flexible because as you have internet connection and you log in like a Facebook account, you will show how much transactions you have, how much income you have, how much you'll be able to in cash, and so on and so forth. And on investing also, you will receive at least 25% lifetime discount. Take note, 25% lifetime discount for all the products that you will order. And now this, you will also able to get a business kit. It's a nice business kit because it's already all information that you need is already there, and also you will receive a free of training worth 50,000 naira. Okay, take note, free training from new distributor of presentation, Alliance Success Achievement Program, Module 1 and Module 2, and other technical naira. So, Madam, when you invest this one, you don't have to worry because we will give you because we have a business center there in your country. We have 5 business center in your country already. Let me discuss to you our okay. Let me elaborate it one. First, we have retailing. You will receive 5%. Next, second one is direct referral bonus, which and next one is match sales bonus, and you will receive additional of 5,700 naira bonus. And next one is Unilevel, which you can receive 5 to 10%, and stair step also overriding commission from 10, 20 to 30% on your rank, and also the next and profit sharing. Now, Madam, let me discuss it one by one. Now, have you seen the diagram already? Okay, the first ways, what we call retailing. Since you have 25% like, okay, like for example, let's say you will able to sold one box of C24/7. We have suggested price of 5,108 naira per box. Distributor and you have 25% less or discount, you can able and 3,838 naira. And now as a profit, madam, per box, you have 1,000. So what if, and one day you can sell 10 bucks, it's just about 10,270 naira. That is enough money, right? And what if not only that one kind of product, because we have so many kinds of product that we have. And take note, all product points. And madam, this company has no quota. So either you like to push a lot of product for you to get a lot of benefits right here and retailing, then that's good for you. But if you also don't like to sell product, then it's also good because take note, we have 6 major way to earn. And if you don't like retailing, if you hate retail, then it's okay. Fine for sponsoring. The next one I will discuss to you. Okay? This one. This is you, madam. This is you. You divided into 2. You will place yourself into left sales group and right sales group. For example, you have friend letter A, and upon them presenting like this one, live streaming or what they call this, personal there in business center. Once he or she decided to join under your organization, will receive a bonus of 1,900 naira per person. Now, if you have another friend, letter B, we put it in the name of B, and whatever benefits you both have from the products and so on and so on, friends that you have will get, you will get this 1,900 naira whatever you do right here, madam, all what you have to do is to duplicate your time and effort through these people. It seems like you have a lot of branches. You have a lot of branches that concept of law of leverage. It seems to say you're duplicating your okay, like you have a lot of stores through this person. Okay, now, madam, this is a weekly payout. Okay, weekly payout. No time frame, no maintenance. Take note, no time frame, no maintenance. And let's come back right here. So, your one friend join you, you will receive 1,900, and the two one you will receive additional of total of 3,800 for two direct sponsoral. So if you sponsor 10 people, that is better. If you sponsor 100 people, then that is better because you work. Now, in second ways, we have what we call match sales bonus. The formula right here is left and right. Okay? And you will receive additional 5,200 5,700 naira per match. Okay, once your left and right match together, you will receive 5,700 additional naira. Okay, let us say whatever you do right here, your friends will do the same too. They require to invite at least two friends. Okay, so this one also receive 1,900 from A1, and this one also will receive 1,900 naira from A1, A2. Show you also the direct referral, and also your friends same also. But the question is, if not your direct downlines or direct sponsor, do you still have a profit? Referral bonus, no, because here, whoever, I mean, the rule right here, whoever the person who can sponsor this here, it might be the one get 1,900 in direct sponsoral. But since right here in Matt Sales bonus, your friend now he will receive um 5,700 naira. Okay? Since your friend B has left and right additional, they also receive 1,900 naira. Now, madam, look at in the diagram. Have you noticed that whatever happened to you, same will receive? Okay? You make it clear. You see it clearly, right? Now, like for example, let us calculate. Do you think your four people under your indirect downline, you will still get a profit? Yes or yes? Of course, yes. The formula right here is left and right. As long as the system or data tracking system can see that there's a person, put it in a left sales group and right sales group, it will automatically give you 5,700 even if it's not your direct downline. Okay, so since you have four, you will receive two match sales B1. Now, additional 11,800 naira come up to you. You are not doing anything else, but you already start to sponsor two people under your organization. Now, madam, let's see right here the diagram, okay? Let us total timing. So right here, you get additional of 20,900 naira in total. So just imagine, madam, this is what we call law of leverage. You're duplicating your time and effort through other people. Second one, what we call, let's say it it will happen like the first scenario I show to you, madam, is based on people to people movement. But in AIM Global, madam, we are not focusing in recruiting, but we are focusing in a point system. Have you remember that I discussed you that every global package has accumulated of 1,200 points? Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let us say this one doesn't, but people use product, and the product that they are going to use accumulated point, and they accumulate 1,200 points. Okay, then right here in this group, still, okay, people movement right here brought a global package under you. Okay, now since systems saw it left and right, you don't, even you are sleeping, someone give you 5,700 naira. Okay, this is scenario is people to product movement, and same also like what if there's a scenario that happened that no one but still using product, madam? Take look what will happen to you as long as both left will accumulate 1,200 and put it in right cells, accumulate also 1,200 naira. I mean points. Additional, you will receive 5,007 per account. Right here, madam, per day your accumulated income will increase. If you really make the business serious, per day you can get 91,200 naira per account. In week, it is 547,200 naira. So in 1 month, you will able to enjoy 2,188,800 naira per month. Just imagine if you have a multiple account. If one account has accumulated of 91,200 naira, madam, then if you, because right here our account was able to expand up to 7. Just to you is one account only. Okay, let me show you the third ways of earning. Okay, before that I'll show you the okay. This is you sponsor left and right. It's still your name. Okay, this is still your name, and this three account investment capital is 273,600 naira. Okay, this is your investing capital. Okay, let's say that you have under your group and you sponsor it all and all. Okay, in your second account, you will receive a match sales bonus of accumulated of more than 5,000 naira per match. So your account will receive 5,000 naira, 700 naira, 5,700 naira, and your main account will receive 11,000 naira. So just imagine when you brought three accounts. So of three account already. And right here, one account, but right here, 7 account investment capital is 638 naira per 100. So it also per day, you will also enjoy this one, 638 naira per day. Per week, you will enjoy 3,830,400 per week, or per month of 15,321,600 per month. Okay, same scenario. Right here, seem like you sponsor all yourself first. Okay, if one account has an accumulated of 91,000 per day, 91,200 per day, times 7, just imagine if you have 7 store under your name. Okay, 7 store in all of that 7. Okay, so that is the fastest way. And if you want to make your business seriously, then I suggest to go for international package or 7 account. Okay, let's move to the fourth way, which is unilevel. Okay, in unilevel, say under 10% product reorder of this person. Even you are not the one who sell this product and they direct sell it, then you only have of accumulated of 0.3 from 10% to 5%. from first level up to 10th level. Okay, right here, no pass up, no quota, no time frame, and no. Let's move on to stir step. Okay, um, means okay. Stair step goes like a ladder. Okay, seems like a ladder. You start as a distributor, and you are not required to get networks grow. You can say once you silver executive before to become a silver executive, you have to accumulate of 10 points. It's a group, not only one, a group points. So once you accumulate 10 points or 50 bucks of C24/7 sold under your organization, okay, you will and you will get award and you will recognize during our anniversary there in your country in Nigeria. Now, madam, based on and your networks growing also, you will get promoted for you to become a gold executive, madam, right here. So 2,000 naira, 92,000. I mean 91,200 naira per day. You only need to get 100 points for you to become a gold. And once you become a gold executive, madam, you get recognized and get additional percent of commissions. Just imagine someone under your group reorder a box of C24/7 and how much you will able to earn about it. It's a big amount. And last position, global ambassador. When you get ambassador, surely you have a huge network for this time, and you only need to require 1,000 points. This 1,000 points, madam, will give you additional 30%. A 30% per box of products that we order under your organization. Infinity or next higher rank. Okay, once you get become global ambassador, you will stay right here in the position. Okay, this is no time frame, no reversion, no pass up. So this is one of the most highest position that AIM Global give for every qualified distributor. So that is all about. Let's say last one. This is what we call royalty income. Income, like for example, you as a become a global ambassador, take a look, madam, what will happen to them. Okay, distributor. Let's say you are not yet a distributor, and you want this network grow. Join you, this distributor. Let's say this is a distributor, and there's a part-timer join, and same these two concept part-timer join. Under this last part-timer on the fourth level or generation, he found or she a person that has a big dream for his family. Maybe he want time freedom, he want financial wealth, he want to give a better desired, he want to get retired at early stage. But this one become a global ambassador, or I mean, once this last one become a global ambassador, this part-timer promote as a global ambassador, part-timer 3, the first generation, and also you will get promoted to global ambassador. So it will, this down will push you up to become a global ambassador. And let us say, what you will able to get right here for all of your global ambassador up to your first fifth generation, madam, you will get 2% of what you call this commissions for this global ambassador. Right here, madam, this one get 15 million naira per month. So you have 10%, I mean 2% for his income will get push up to you. You only need to maintain 2 bucks of C24/7 or accumulated points of 2, I mean 0.333 points. Okay. Next one. Okay. So, madam, that's it. The ways of earning that we have. Okay. Before I forgot, we also have added a and royal sharing. Okay. Once you get promoted, you have a qualified or you qualified in profit sharing and also qualified of free travel and scheme. In US, we give 10 years multiple entry visa and AIM Global. So, madam, that is how and AIM Global. And I hope and I wish that you better understand the concept or the marketing plan of the able to discuss to you. So for now, if you have a lot of questions, please feel free to ask. I'm so excited to answer your question. And later on, after watching this, I can give you all the Nigeria. Okay? God bless you and power.